This rigid circular saw that I've been using works as good, if not better, than any corded saw I've used. It goes through plywood, it goes through 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x8s, 2x10s, never gives me a problem.
To achieve the power that the rigid circular saw does, only using one battery is fantastic. Going from a 2-battery system, pretty heavy saw that I use on a daily basis, to this rigid saw it's striking how light it is.
Every day when we're setting up, it just speeds us up so much more because it's just grab a tool, grab a battery, and we're kind of set up and ready to work.
Over a day, I've probably had 4.5 hours on one battery with no fade whatsoever.
Anything we use the rigid saw for, we know it's going to work for us every time. With the LSA program, I know my tool's protected, so the only thing I'm worried about is getting my job done.
If I were to restart my career tomorrow, I would 100% go buy a rigid tool. The battery life is there, the tools are well designed and lightweight. Really, what more could you want?